Hello everyone, I'm Val from Mike and Val's Life, and today I am participating in the International Christmas Wreath Challenge 2019, hosted by 6 very talented and lovely ladies listed here. Now on to the challenge. Well, the first thing I did is I went and actually just shopped my own stash. The first thing I got is this. I bought this last year from Dollar Tree. This wreath form that's already got the little, I don't know, the little twigs or whatever it's called on it. These are really good, and I can't believe they had these at Dollar Tree. Now, I haven't got to go to Dollar Tree much this year for Christmas, since the Christmas stuff has started coming out. They may have these again, but this was one I had from last year. Also, this summer, we went to Walmart and I picked up some of these, the Deco Mesh that was on clearance. It was $3.47 down to $2. So I picked up 4 of these. Also, what I'm going to use is, now this is free because this is ribbon scraps. Look like every time I make a bow or something, I am going to come out, sometimes maybe just an inch or 2. Sometimes it can be anywhere from 5 to 8 inches long. And I don't know, when if they're 5 and above, I just cannot seem to throw them away. I have to save them. And this, I went to my stash of ribbon and seen all of these little pieces. And I said, well, this would be a great way to use them up. So what I did, I got them all 8 inches and then did the little V-cut on both sides. And so this is free because I've already used whatever I was going to use the actual ribbon for. This is just really, to most people, would have been thrown away anyway. But no, I saved them and I'm using them now. And the last thing is I do have a little Anna Lee doll I want to add to it. I love these little things. I just think they are so cute. So I want to add this. I can do it without the pipe cleaners, but if not, this was just some I already had as well. Now, let me show you how this, because this actually goes pretty fast. Just take off this tag. Oh, and it says 18 inches. Now, all I did, move this out the way. Now, I'm going to move the camera down so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, now the first thing I'm going to do is get my Deco Mesh. Let me get it where it's a little bit more straight here. And I know I've said this before, but I don't measure. I just sort of look and see where I think I'm going to want them. And I just cut. I'm going to say probably about 10 inches maybe. And just sort of roll them up. Whoop. And with me, it can be anywhere from 10 to 12 inches, could maybe 9, but I don't know. I just go with what I think looks good. Do one more and then I am going to get started. And to show you, I've already did a box of them. I don't want to do I don't want to do too many of them that I won't be needing, so I'm just going to stop there. I can always do more later if I don't have enough. And all I'm going to do on this is just get it, roll it up, hold that in my hand, and I will do 3 of them for each when I put it up. When I roll it up, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This one looks like it's already been rolled. Get like 3 like that. Come over here. And just do a little knot like that. Now I'm going to add the ribbon in after I get through completely. That way I can, because I may or may not even want to put some in every one of them. And I'm going to do that all the way around. Okay, now I have completed the wreath as far as putting the Deco Mesh on. Now I just need to put my ribbon and my little Anna Lee doll. Now let me see how I'm going to do this. I don't know which side I want to put him on. I think I'll put him on this side, where he'll look sort of like this. I may have to bring him up a little bit. Let's see. Now I don't know how I am going to keep him up on the other part. There's where I'm going to have to get stem. Maybe put it in between his little arm right here. And then just bring it back and tie it. Get it on the back. There, that's got him. There we go. think I'll do a little foot also. Let me get a little foot. Let's see. No, I think that's good enough. Let's see. I'm trying to, let me see if I can pick up my camera just a little bit here. Here we go. Fluffing up behind there. And now, this is where I'm going to add just some ribbons to go with his red here. And all I'm doing is getting a little 8-inch ribbons. And I do want to say, it took almost 2 of these. This is all that's left out of the second one. And these are 10 inches by 10 yards. And it took, like I said, all but this little bit. So you definitely have to have 2. And like I said, these are just scraps. And I made these 8 inches long. And I'm just going to randomly put some. Just open these little ties that you tied it with to put the Deco Mesh, and then just add it to that. And just sort of fluff them out. Once again, just pinch it in the middle. Pinch the other one. And just add. I think I am going to need one more little piece of ribbon that I'm going to have to go cut. Let me get my camera where you can see it. So I will do that and I'll be right back. Now I just want to share with you how it looks on the wall. I am so happy the way it turned out. The best thing for me was that I didn't have to go and buy anything. Everything that you see here, I already had. I am super pleased with that. Now I want to thank all the ladies that hosted this. Like I said, they're all very talented and so sweet ladies. If you don't know them, please go check them out. And I also want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by and letting me share this with you. I deeply appreciate each and every one of you. I hope everybody has a great day and a wonderful week. Bye-bye, and may God bless.